Missouri is trying to become the next Texas or Florida, a state with zero income tax. The Missouri House already passed it. The governor is pushing for it. And if that happens, it could completely reshape the Kansas City real estate market. I'm Tara Williams with eXp Realty, a luxury real estate agent here in Johnson County, Kansas. Whether you live in Missouri or Kansas, you need to understand what's happening because it's going to affect home values, where people move, and how much money you get to keep when you sell your home. Missouri's top income tax rate is 4.7% as of 2026, and they've been cutting it steadily. 2023, 4.95, 2024, 4.8, 2025, a flat 4.7, eliminated 9-bracket system. 2025, capital gains tax completely eliminated, the first state ever. Governor Kehoe wants to go all the way to zero. In March of 2026, the Missouri House passed a plan to replace income tax with an expanded sales tax. The services would be taxed, currently mostly goods. That revenue phases out income tax by 2032. For every $20 million in new revenue above the 2025 baseline, the rate drops 0.01% and capped at 1.6 per year. 3 concerns. 1, the tax burden shift. Sales tax hits everyone equally, and the critics say it hurts the lower and middle income families. 2, real estate. Kehoe says he wants to protect real estate from new sales tax, but protections are not in the current bill. A $500,000 home at 4% sales tax is $20,000 added to the closing. 3, revenue stability. Income tax is Missouri's biggest revenue source. Here are some scenarios. Scenario 1, Missouri estimates income tax and protects real estate. Best case, Missouri becomes like Texas or Florida. Demand for the Missouri side homes goes up. Relocators from California, Illinois, and New York are already coming. Zero income tax is a huge magnet. Kansas faces more competition, but the Blue Valley, Shawnee Mission, and Olathe schools are why families choose Johnson County. Scenario 2, Missouri eliminates the income tax, but taxes real estate. A $700,000 home plus a 4 to 5% sales tax, $28,000 to $35,000 extra. First-time buyers will be devastated. This would push more buyers to Kansas. Scenario 3, bill stalls. Missouri continues gradual cuts, 4.7 to 4.5% to 4% with dramatic overhaul. Since January 1st of 2025, Missouri has zero capital gains tax. Here's an example. Bought and leased Summit in 2015 for $350,000. Now it's worth $850,000. That's a $500,000 gain. Couple's federal exclusion covers it. Single, only $250,000 excluded. The remaining $250,000 used to be taxed by Missouri, but not anymore. Investors with rentals, $300,000 in gains. Missouri state tax, zero, already law. Kansas versus Missouri, side by side. Income tax, Kansas is up to 5.7%, while Missouri is 4.7% and falling. Capital gains, Kansas is taxed as income, Missouri, zero. Property tax, Kansas is at 1.4% for Johnson County and 0.9% for Jackson County in Missouri. Sales tax, Kansas is at 6.5% for state, Missouri is at 4.225% state. Future, Kansas, no elimination plans. Missouri is targeting zero by 2032. So, on paper, Missouri wins tax math, but taxes aren't everything. Johnson County ranks among the best places to live in America. The schools are top tier, property values are strong because the demand is strong. My advice, don't make a $500,000 decision on tax rates alone. the schools, commute, community, appreciation, then taxes. This keeps evolving. The Senate is still debating. The real estate industry is fighting to protect home transactions. Subscribe for updates. Thinking about buying or selling on either side of the state line? Reach out and I'll walk you through the numbers. I'm Tara Williams with eXp Realty. Thanks for watching.